I love these Japanese vending machines. My favorite drink is the vitamin. Then you get your drink out of the bottom here after you pay with your Suica there. And just in time to catch your train, and Yanto's waiting for me. Yep, fantastic. No drinking on the train, usually. Here we go, going to Kamakura today. Beautiful Kamakura. Here we come. Yeah, Kamakura Station. Arriving in Kamakura, former capital of Japan. Lots of people, 10 o'clock in the morning. And school trips. This is the station inside, a Japan Heritage site. Nice train station. And lots of goodies.